The world is changing fast, and the people who win in business are the ones who move early. In this video, you will learn about 3 future-proof business ideas that are growing in high demand worldwide. Number 1. Drone spraying services for agriculture. Farming is becoming more technology-driven, and drones are slowly replacing manual spraying. Farmers lose time and money when spraying is done by hand because it is slow, uneven, dangerous for health, and wasteful. A drone spraying service solves these problems. Drones can cover large farms faster, use less chemicals, reduce crop damage, and improve yield. The demand is growing in countries where farming land is large and labor shortages are common. You can build a service model where farmers pay per acre or per spray session. The startup costs are mainly the drone, training, licenses, and transportation. It is a future-facing business because agriculture is not going away, and drones will become essential tools for modern farming. Number 2. Physiotherapy and mobility rehab centers. As populations age, mobility issues are increasing worldwide. Joint pain, back pain, stroke recovery, post-injury rehab, and lifestyle stiffness are now common in young people as well. A physiotherapy and mobility rehab center gives structured treatment to help people move better and reduce pain without surgery. The business works on trust, skilled staff, and local reputation. Clients return for multiple sessions, so the revenue model is recurring. You do not need to be a physiotherapist yourself to own the center. You can partner with certified professionals. The demand is driven by aging societies, rising sports injuries, desk jobs, and obesity. In 2026, this sector will continue to grow as governments and families look for non-hospital healthcare solutions that improve long-term mobility. Number 3. Hydroponic leafy greens for local supermarkets. Hydroponics is farming without soil, using nutrient-rich water and controlled environments. It is efficient, pesticide-free, and produces fresh greens all year. Local supermarkets want reliable suppliers who can deliver clean spinach, lettuce, kale, herbs, and microgreens at consistent quality. The main advantage is freshness. Hydroponic farms are set up closer to cities, so the products reach shelves within hours instead of days. This reduces spoilage and keeps taste intact. The business model can be B2B supply to supermarkets, restaurants, hotels, and meal prep companies. You can start small in a controlled room or warehouse and scale as demand grows. With food shortages, urbanization, and focus on healthy eating, hydroponic produce is a strong future-facing opportunity. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe. It motivates us to bring more useful videos like this for you.